Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. You guys did a great job yesterday. Some of us earned A's, including Jose, Shaheem, Colbert, and Nicholas. And what I know is that today, in addition to these guys, Chris Meldy is going to earn an A. I know that Sade is going to come to class. Sade is going to earn an A. I know that Raven will also earn an A. And so what we need to do to earn an A, it doesn't mean getting everyone right. So yesterday, Jose did an amazing job. He got them all right. Shaheem, Colbert, and Nicholas, they had some challenges, but they were working really hard. And that's what I'm looking for in this class. It's not about getting every question right. It's about working hard each and every class. So let's stay focused so everyone can earn an A. And I'm here to support you. So what we're going to do is continue practicing plotting two sets of ordered pairs on a coordinate plane. So let's take a look at this first set. So we've got negative 2x, negative 2 and 1, and I know that negative 2 is our x coordinate and 1 is our y coordinate, and we're going to label both. I know that Chris Meldy likes to do this each and every time, and I really appreciate that about her when she's approaching these problems. So the first one is negative 2 and 1. So we always start at the origin point, right? And if it's negative 2, we're going to be going to the left 2, right? 1, 2. And I know that sometimes Raven wants to put a dot there, as do other students. We're not going to do that. We're just hanging out here for the time being. But we're not done. It's negative 2 and 1. So the negative 2 on the x-axis, of course, is right here. And then 1. If it's a positive 1, we're going to go up. The first dot for this ordered pair is going to chill right there. And let's look at the second one. So the second one is 3 and negative 4. So if it's 3 and negative 4, we're going to start at the origin point, and we're going to count over 3. 1, 2, 3. And then up, we're going to be going down 4. So let's do that together. So 1, 2, 3, down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we are right there. And what I know is that if you don't feel like counting, or if you have difficulty counting, just find your way over to the negative 4, then just go across. So here we have our two sets of ordered pairs, and we got to find the rise and the run. We always start on the left side, and we always go to the right. And we know that the rise is the up and down, yes? And the run is the sort of horizontal, or left and right. So I know that if we're at 1 and we're going to 4, negative 4, the rise is going to be negative 5 because we're going down. But let's count that anyway. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and we stop here, 5. So the rise is negative 5 over, and let's find out what the run is. Right here, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Negative 5 over 6. So what I'm going to do on this worksheet is I'm going to go right here and I'm going to write slope. Negative 5 over 6. Again, this is the rise, which means the up or down, over the run. So negative 5 over 6 is our slope, or the steepness of this little incline right here. And you know what we should do? I don't have a ruler like you guys do, but we'll pretend that this is super straight. There we go. So if you did this, you would earn yourself an A+ for that particular question. Let's take a look at this next one. So I see it says, and this is going to be our last one, we've got two sets of ordered pairs. Chris Meldy, what's the first thing that we should do? Yep, let's label these. So we've got our X, and we've got our Y, we've got our X, and we've got our Y, and we're always going to start at the origin point. We haven't talked about intercepts yet. We'll talk about those soon. And I see when we're looking at this first one, right, it's negative 5 and negative 2. Ooh, interesting. So let's go right here. And we're going to start at the origin point. And we're going to go over to negative 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I see negative 5. And we're going to be going down negative 2. 1, 2. All right, so there is our first dot. And I don't remember what our second order pair is. 5 and 1. So this is a positive 5 and a positive 1. So we're going to go over 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to go up 1 to right there. And when we get there, we'll put a nice little dot. All right, and so now what we need to do is figure out what the slope is of this hill, this line, this mountain. Let's start right here. We always go from left to right, and we're going to do the rise over the run. So we're going to count up 1, 2, 3, and I can see that it's in this line, right? And I know if this is on -5, and this is on +5, then 5 plus 5, right? 5 this way and 5 this way is 10. So it's going to be, what? 1, 2, 3. The rise is 3 over, ugly 3. All right, 3 over what? 10. And let's count over just to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, 3 over 10. You're going to write that right there on your slope. And you're going to earn yourself an A+. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm looking forward to seeing you guys work hard. If you have any questions, let me know. Good luck.